Hello and welcome back viewers. Now in this lesson we are going to see what is candle countdown. Candle countdown basically is an indicator, okay, and it is telling us remaining time of that current candle, how much time is remaining to finish this current candle. Okay, so now we will go to MT4 and we will see it on MT4. Okay, so to get candle countdown on our MT4, what we need to do, we will go there in the navigator. We will click here and then we will click here in this box, candle countdown. Okay, double click in that. Okay, and then press okay. So here we can see 6 minutes are remaining in closing of this candle, and we can see it right now from the market watch also. Okay, 6 minutes are remaining. For example, if we want to change our time frame, then it will let us know about that time frame. Like this is h4, so it is telling us that 2 hours and 5 minutes are remaining. And similarly, if we bring it to daily candle, so it is telling us that 10 hours are still remaining in that daily candle. Okay, so in this way, candle countdown is important for particularly pro traders. So this was the explanation of candle countdown, how we can get it on our MT4. Okay, thank you so much.